Hey, it's Beardo back again with White Rock Dodge, and today I have my own personal Gladiator. That guy right there. Going in for the KRAKEN tire inflation system here at Epic Adventure Outfitters. Should be exciting. Let's go see what Landon is up to. So, what is this thing, and what are you doing?
So this is our KRAKEN tire inflation system for the Jeep Wrangler JL and JT Gladiator. It is a central tire inflation system that allows you to hook up all four tires and air them up all at the same time. It's a really great system. It's a very discreet and clean install, and I think you're going to like it.
Paired up with the ARB dual compressor here?
Correct. So the ARB twin compressor is a must for this kit. You're airing up four tires at once, so you need all the juice you can get, and that's the ticket.
Beautiful. And there's that wiring harness there?
Yeah, so this is just the included ARB harness. It needs to be de-pinned so it can be fished through underneath the vehicle and into the vehicle.
These are some pretty cool connectors. What did you say they were called again?
Push to connect style connections.
Push to connect. So there's like little teeth in there or something that...
Correct. There's little teeth in there that hold the tubing or the fitting in there, and when it's under pressure, it'll expand out and it'll hold it in even better.
Cool. You were saying that they use these in robotics?
Yeah, so all of the fittings that make up this system are very common in the industrial robotic space, manufacturing, process manufacturing, that sort of thing, just because they're relatively simple and very easily user serviceable, which is important, especially out in the field.
That makes sense. A very cool connector. I've never seen it before.
Yeah, I mean, you'd kind of walk past it and think, oh, okay, that's just some weird, something or other, but you don't understand how simple it is and how easy it is to use, so that's why we chose it for our kit.
So normally the KRAKEN would come with these Haltech quick clip-on air chucks, which make putting it on the valve stem and off the valve stem super easy. But because I have Apex performance valve stems that deflate really quickly, I have to go for these brass jobbies, which is fine. It's fine. It is what it is. Maybe one day I'll change my valve stems back and be able to use, the proper KRAKEN system, but we'll see. Won't we?
That's right.
Oh, the epic ginger.
What's up, buddy?
What are you up to?
Just wiring up some ambient camp lighting so Bailey and her husband can have a really good swinger camping experience.
There's a little rock light right there. Look how neat and tidy that wiring is.
Fire's a real concern, so you don't want to catch fire.
No, you don't.
Just like wiring up a Christmas tree.
Clark?
Hello, Gladys. How are you?
Beat up, apparently.
Yeah, there's a chunk missing here, and a chunk missing there, and a chunk missing up there somewhere. She's battered to hell.
Yeah, used and abused.
That's right. That Wrangler is our finance manager's Wrangler. Her name's Bailey. Epic also built this one with some cool custom painted fuel rims to match the blue that you see all over the Jeep. because it is a 4xe. So I think it was the first 4xe you guys lifted, wasn't it?
That's the one.
That's the one. Canada's first lifted 4xe. Right?
That's the one. It's a fun machine.
And you have one too, right?
Yeah. Mine's a little bit bigger, a little bit better.
Do you like it?
Love it.
Love it? Good.
How goes it, my bearded brother?
Oh, it goes.
Love this summer weather.
Oh, I see. Swinger party.
Oh yeah.
And it matches everything too, pretty close.
Pretty good.
Okay, so they have fished that wire through there because the Kraken is going to go underneath the passenger side here. So I'm just going to slip that in there in a moment. Should be good. Can't wait to see when it's done. Look at that. Sweet, we got power. And there it is, all installed underneath the passenger seat. So sweet. Just gonna do a quick test, make sure everything works with the lines over there, and then that's the end of that installation. So it should be pretty good. Right, Landon? Should be good. Good. Okay, so that was the old Kraken install, and we'll be back to show you a quick demo of how the actual inflation system works, so stay tuned for that. Please like the video and subscribe if you like what you watched, and we'll see you next time. Take care.